using custom fields to create automations. So when you're using Legalboards, in order to make sure that you get the most of it, I'll tell you how you can use the custom fields that you have within inside Legalboards if you're using the core version, or Clio, my case, Panther, it doesn't matter. All custom fields will work. I have created a scenario. So I am in my general workflow, and let's suppose that we want to create an automation that says, for example, I want to create a task to my paralegal or to my attorney that says that whenever a certain custom field is updated, so I will use my custom field that says whether the client was served yes or no. Every time the answer changes to yes, I want to make sure that my attorney gets a new task within 7 days to review complaint and determine what will be our pleading. It's this simple. You have already the custom field in place with a yes or no, whether the client was served or not. And every time someone changes the answer, Legalboards already knows what to do. All you have to do now is hit save, and that's it. Thank you.